Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the blue and red filter on TikTok. So for that, we have to go and click on this splice icon from the bottom of the page in the middle. And then you have to click to effects. And right here, you have to search for that filter. If you cannot find it right here, then you have to go back, go to discover. And here you have to type blue and red filter. After that, you have to click on the first TikTok video that pops up. So I will click on this one. Then right here, as you can see, it says blue and red filter right next to this person's username. So you can go ahead and click on that. And then you can just click right here on the bottom of the page on the camera. And you can also add it to favorites. So now it will appear right there at the camera at effects. So like I said, click on the camera. And now there you have it, guys. I think you already know how to use this. You just have to blink, and every time you blink, the color will turn from blue to red and from red to blue. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button and can also subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.